Yeah, man, a Reggae Month, you know. I have to big up reggae icon. No, know it when I'm lady and the first lady of Reggae Dancehall, I have to big up all icon my business, you know. A certain boy pa me corner informer, cause him a fight informer na the era, murderer. Shine eye boy is a trouble to a girl, him one black girl. You don't know, you know. I'm a lady and the first lady of Reggae Dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside, A Jamaica from the outside, and I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them a broke down. All of we barriers, them a broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the soul.
Well, hello there, guys. Thanks for joining us today. It's February and it is Reggae Month. Today we have Lady Ann, the First Lady of Dancehall, sharing some of her thoughts with us. Please stay with us throughout this video. And if you're wondering why you're only seeing the upper part of her face, you know what we say in Jamaica. No watch, no face.
Yeah, man, a Reggae Month, you know. I have to big up reggae icon. No, know it when I'm lady and the first lady of Reggae Dancehall, I have to big up all icon my business, you know. Yeah, man. I start out in the industry at an early age, teenage. Me and my friend Tyan, Liquor John, Tristan, Barrington, Levy, Tristan Palmer, the whole away. Yeah, man, I run up and down in the studio from Channel 1 to King Tubby's. And the music I come way longer than that. So I start out now this thing very young. Them say it's a male dominated thing, but you know what time the man them show love, what if I love the man them all give him mic, the man them all we have mic, the man them all hear a chant. So big up all that, but we still have some great left, you know. Even a lot of great drop out. And them say February and Dennis and Bob Marley month. I don't know March and me and Ziggy King. A whole power month. So big up on yourself, all reggae love out there. A certain boy pa me corner informer, cause him a fight informer na the era, murderer. Shine eye boy is a trouble to a girl, him one black girl, him one what them for know, you know. Sat up them they a long time in this one Babylon to romantic to little Jaro to yo, big up on yourself out there, you know, we say one love, one aim, one destiny, you know. A reggae, we say, all the way. Yeah, man, like me say, you know, my grandmother introduced me to the music, and my grandmother played the piano, you know. And she, when me go through my crisis as a little youngster, and me used to sit down outside pan the rubber tire, sing Bob Marley song. It was one of my favorite songs. I didn't even know who sing it at the time. Dread, naughty, dread now. Naughty, dread. And they did have Horace and they have one. I may never see my baby anymore. And then you'd have my favorite now, my comfort song was Babu, 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 the greatness of Baba and the Babu, Babu, Baba, yeah. Babu, Babu, Baba, yeah. Babu, Babu, Baba, yeah. Babu. Hey, I like it, don't make me cry. It was my comfort song. So, yeah. So, the thing, the great from them time, because we have some great, and we lost some great same way along the line. But the music journey, for me, it did okay. It wasn't one of the best, but it was an okay journey. Big up Rocky Gibbs, because there's some my big way come now with Informer. But we'd have Leon and his brother Chester. Leon and Chester knew me lady and came to GG record. Saji signed me, big up yourself, Saji signed me for 5 years and give me $1,000. Them time they $1,000 whole of money, and I signed a 5-year contract with them and them released my album, Vanity album. Then I do my Informer album for Joe Gibbs, Rocky Gibbs I should say, because really Rocky are the producer, the son of Joe Gibbs. Then me do another album for Eric Bubbles. So, me need that one. Yeah, it's just, you know the thing go. Yeah. So it was a great one. It was excellent and female in my era they have to have talent. It wasn't about your pretty looks or your sexiness. You have to have the whole package. You can't have half of the package. But like I said, I don't know. I don't want no fun. I wonder how I show my face. I show my face like construction. I go on my mouth. I don't know no bad out there. No bad. I don't want no come style thing. But a Reggae Month, I'm going to talk about my journey. So big up. We have some great like, we lost some great. I will still have some great. We have the Linval, the Uncle Freddie McGregor, Al Campbell, my teacher. Still have Dillinger alive. Sammy Dread, Michael Palmer, Carlton Livingston, the Great Low Ranger, Tristan Palmer, Little John, Peter Metro, Josie Wheel, Charlie Chaplin, the Great Brigadier Jerry, Sister Carol, Lady G. We still have some greats still left, Yeah. We have some greats still left, boy, man. So big up on yourself now. I want to say a Reggae Month, Reggae Icon, one love, one heart. Let's get together. Feel or be alright, whichever way. Right, that's the thing they know. In the 80s, that was the music is happy. People are go through crisis and people are sing happy song. Happy song. The happy song now make again. You them do them thing, big them up same because so in our time, some of the great them that's why we didn't mash up the thing too. So I fight youth them. Youth them do them thing, big them up same here. Yeah man. So big up everybody. And we don't know a Reggae Month, reggae to the world. Reggae. Right so. So big up on yourself, I want to tune in, and go and show the love and the support to the Reggae Icon them, I'm not nobody give me no flowers because dead people no get flowers. Just go and big me up, just go and big me up, see me. I love me and spread to the world. Yeah. Music is my religion. I don't only trade me no. I don't only trade me up because I be so young. Yeah. So, still I say, one love to each and every one. And big up all of my reggae great them, all of my reggae icon them. Big up on yourself. Big up.